What's up? Back again. Oh, that's a weird lag. What's up? Back again. Since we reacted to Ozzy Osbourne Supercuts, I wanted to hear what kind of music he made. It's been a while since I played Guitar Hero, and I get him and like Linkin Park mixed up for some strange reason. But anyways, let's get into it. Bruh. I have no idea who is in this band. I couldn't name anybody else in the band but Ozzy Osbourne. This sounds familiar actually. Was this in like Vice City or something? Crazy train. Catchy. If I clap, it's gonna peak the microphone. I wish I had the lyrics up, because I can barely hear the words. I'm going off the rails on a crazy train. Okay. Yeah, this sounds like a song that would be in Vice City. K-Rock. No, that's San Andreas. K-Rock. Yeah, it was. Yeah, Guitar Hero. This wasn't Guitar Hero. I remember the solo specifically. The Guitar Hero, I think it was in World Tour. That's one like everybody hated, or people didn't really like. Bruh. Okay, these lyrics are kind of sad. Is he crying for help? Did Ozzy Osbourne play any instrument or? That was actually pretty good. I don't know. I didn't really understand most of the lyrics, but the ones I understood sounded like it was a cry for help kind of deal. But I enjoyed it. The guitar solo, drum solo, everything was there. Dun, 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 dun. It's pretty cool. Adios.